For years, the James Webb Space Telescope has represented humanity's most advanced window into the cosmos. With its enormous mirror and incredible sensitivity, it has captured some of the deepest and oldest images ever seen. It allowed us to look back toward the earliest chapters of cosmic history and revealed breathtaking details of distant galaxies. But NASA is preparing another observatory that approaches the universe from an entirely different perspective. Instead of focusing on a tiny section of the sky with extraordinary detail, this new telescope is designed to scan vast regions of space at remarkable speed. Its purpose is not simply to observe individual objects, but to uncover large-scale patterns that shape the entire universe. This mission is centered on some of the greatest mysteries in modern science: the unseen matter that binds galaxies together, the mysterious force accelerating cosmic expansion, and the enormous portion of reality that remains invisible to us. At first glance, this telescope may not appear more powerful than Webb. Its primary mirror is considerably smaller, leading some people to assume it is a step backward. However, mirror size tells only part of the story. Its true strength lies in how much sky it can observe at once. The telescope possesses an incredibly wide field of view, allowing it to capture enormous portions of the cosmos in a single observation. Regions that would require countless separate observations from narrower telescopes can be surveyed much more efficiently. One observatory excels at examining individual objects in astonishing detail. The other is built to investigate the behavior of billions of objects across cosmic history. This difference is crucial because the biggest unanswered questions in cosmology cannot be solved by studying one galaxy at a time. To understand the hidden structure of the universe, scientists need massive datasets covering huge regions of space. They need to compare vast numbers of galaxies and search for patterns that only emerge on the largest scales. That is exactly what this mission was designed to accomplish. Everything we can directly observe, stars, planets, gas, dust, and even ourselves, makes up only a small fraction of the universe. Most of reality appears to consist of mysterious components that cannot be seen directly. Scientists know these invisible ingredients exist because of the effects they produce. Galaxies rotate far faster than visible matter alone should allow. Without additional gravity, many stars should drift away from their galaxies entirely. Something unseen appears to be holding these systems together. Meanwhile, the expansion of the universe is accelerating. Rather than slowing down over time, space itself seems to be stretching faster and faster. Although these effects can be measured, their true causes remain unknown. The new telescope was specifically engineered to help answer these questions by observing how invisible structures influence visible light. One of its most powerful techniques relies on a phenomenon predicted by Einstein's theory of relativity. Massive objects distort the fabric of space and alter the paths taken by light traveling through the universe. Even invisible matter can create these distortions. When light from distant galaxies passes through regions filled with hidden mass, the galaxies appear slightly stretched or warped. By measuring these tiny changes across enormous numbers of galaxies, scientists can create detailed maps showing where invisible matter is located. Previous surveys have already demonstrated the power of this technique, but the new observatory will operate on an entirely different scale. Rather than studying only millions of galaxies, it will examine billions. With such an enormous sample, researchers will be able to construct some of the most comprehensive maps of cosmic structure ever produced. At the same time, the telescope will track how the universe has expanded throughout billions of years of history. By analyzing distant stellar explosions and large-scale galaxy distributions, scientists hope to determine whether current theories fully explain cosmic acceleration or whether entirely new physics may be required. Beyond its investigation of the dark universe, the observatory will also search for planets orbiting distant stars. It will monitor immense numbers of stars and look for brief brightening events caused by gravity-bending starlight. These events can reveal planets that are often missed by other detection methods. Many of these worlds may exist far from their host stars, helping astronomers better understand planetary systems that resemble our own. Thousands of new planets could potentially be discovered during the mission. Yet history suggests that the most exciting discoveries may be the ones nobody expects. Major space observatories often uncover phenomena they were never specifically designed to find. New classes of objects, unusual cosmic events, and entirely unexpected observations have repeatedly transformed astronomy. Because this telescope will survey such a large portion of the sky, the chances of finding surprises are extremely high. The impact of this mission may extend far beyond astronomy. Every major leap in our understanding of the universe has eventually changed how humanity sees its place within reality. When scientists first discovered that Earth was not the center of the cosmos, our entire worldview shifted. When we learned that galaxies existed beyond the Milky Way, the scale of existence expanded dramatically. Now we stand before another possible turning point. For decades, researchers have built models to explain the invisible forces shaping the universe. Those models have been remarkably successful, yet they still leave fundamental questions unanswered. What exactly is dark matter made of? Why does dark energy exist? Are our current theories complete, or are they only approximations of a deeper truth? The answers may be hidden inside patterns too large for previous observatories to detect. As the telescope scans enormous regions of the sky, it will gather information on a scale that would have seemed impossible only a generation ago. Each observation will become part of a massive cosmic map, revealing connections between galaxies, clusters, and structures spread across billions of light years. The greater the survey becomes, the harder it will be for hidden inconsistencies to remain concealed. If current theories are correct, the data should reinforce them with extraordinary precision. If they are wrong, even in small ways, cracks may begin to appear. Those cracks are often where the greatest discoveries emerge. Many of history's scientific revolutions began when observations refused to match expectations. Tiny discrepancies eventually led to entirely new ideas about gravity, space, time, and the nature of matter itself. That possibility is what makes this mission so exciting. Scientists are not simply hoping to confirm what they already know. They are searching for evidence that could reveal something completely unexpected. Perhaps dark matter consists of particles never before detected. Perhaps dark energy changes over time. Perhaps there are hidden aspects of physics operating on scales we have yet to understand. Whatever the outcome, the results will help narrow the possibilities and bring us closer to understanding the architecture of the cosmos. The universe has always been willing to surprise us whenever we develop better tools for observing it. Every powerful telescope has revealed realities that no one predicted beforehand. This new observatory may continue that tradition. Somewhere among billions of galaxies and countless stars could be clues that reshape our understanding of existence itself. Discoveries that today seem impossible may one day become accepted science. That is the true power of exploration. Not merely finding answers, but uncovering questions we never knew to ask. And as humanity continues